Hi guys, Janet here with Strange RV Tours with another RV park review. And this is Pass Christian RV Park and Campground. And we're in Pass Christian, Mississippi. So anyway, I'll show you around, okay? Okay, here's our sign, the entrance, and the office is actually upstairs because down here near the coast everything's lifted off the ground when you're close to the Gulf. You know, quite often you'll see houses up. Some not this tall, but here we go to the office, and laundry's up here too, and showers. It's been a nice little stay here. We've met some people here that are really nice. We've been looking at property, some homes, because this area is really lovely. Really is. You got the beaches just a couple miles down the road. But laundry's over there. It's just a one washer, one dryer, 2 bathrooms, men and women's. But hold on. So one way, just one little loop. And I'll just sneak through the middle because there's quite a few full-timers here, and talked with several of the folks here. They've been great. Yeah, and it's 132 Asmart Street. And Gulfport is just down the street. Long Beach, you just go down 90. There's Long Beach, there's Bay St. Louis going west, and there's Long Beach and Gulfport going west, then Biloxi, and that's all a real quick shot actually. We got people with kitty cats and puppies and all that. So we'll take a walk to the pond, okay? Okay, well, this is our spot here. Plenty of parking, plenty of room. It's my garbage. We got people have fire pits, and all right. Well, actually, this was Passport America at $14.98 a night, and no limit on time. That's great. So let's keep going. There we go. If I can get it straight. There we go. Every night, you know, especially Friday, Saturday nights, the fire pits are going. And there we go. But it looks like they have a couple cabins. I don't know if they're full-timers there or they rent them part-time, or but Michelle has been great adding on days. We'll add a couple more days, then we'll add another day. We're supposed to get our microwave repaired today, and we said, well, stay another day. He couldn't do it. Now we're going to go on to Mobile. But isn't that cool? A lighthouse. In the pond. And I've got a treat for the fishes. See, this is nice. They got some construction over past this little pond. There we go. Oh, I can't even see the fish today. Yeah, you can. Really, look. Here. See if I can show you the fish. See them swimming? Yeah. I saw a few big ones down there the other day. Yeah, there's one over there that's pretty good size. But I've got a treat for them. I've got these right here. I've had them in my fridge. Let me open it up. These worms I bought from Walmart's way back. Ooh, I don't know. It's been a month. Anyway, I gotta dig them out. Let's see. Yeah, see, there's some worms in there. They're alive. They're moving around. I wonder how the fishes are going to react to this. Ooh, let's see. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here they go. Watch. Watch. Let's see. Oh, gone in an instant. Wow. Look, now I got a crowd. Let's see. I'm gonna get closer. Let's see. Ready? Ooh! Hungry little boogers. Maybe they'll grow up and they'll be edible. Let me see. I know there's some more in here. Yeah. There's one. Oh yeah. Let me grab that baby. Here. Let's see. Okay, ready? Let's do it again. Watch it. Got him. Let's see, is there any more left? I think I lost most of them. Yeah, it looks like that's it. I don't know. There might be one more. See if they go for it. Oh, there's the little minnows. Oh, that's it. I only had a few left. Yeah, it was Lake Tawakoni when I... oops. Lake Tawakoni is where I got these. Because I could fish off the bank without a license. But these are way too little. So, might as well just feed them. Let them grow. See, picnic tables. Umbrellas. It's a nice little park. And it's convenient to the beaches. Isn't that great? But alright guys, another review of another RV park. We've been to many and this one's been nice, and Michelle's been nice adding on extra days for us because there's some beautiful beaches here, some pretty good breweries, and lots of seafood restaurants, Cajun food, and past Christian, Mississippi. And anyway, if you like the video, hit the like. If you like what we do and all the places we go and the fun that we have, subscribe, and then hit the bell for notifications, and share if you could, please. All right, guys, love y'all. Take it easy. Bye.